Success doesn't happen when you shout your goals to the world, it happens in silence, when no one's watching. It's built in early mornings, boring afternoons, quiet evenings, and disciplined nights. Discipline is the real flex. Welcome back to Awakened Minds. In my last video, I shared how confidence is the foundation, the fire that fuels resilience, hard work, and consistency. If you haven't seen that one yet, the link's in the description. I promise it'll change the way you see yourself. But today, we're building on that fire. Because confidence alone isn't enough. You need direction. You need structure. You need discipline. Part 1, Morning. The battle is won at dawn. Discipline begins before the world wakes up. It's not about waking up at 5 a.m. to impress Instagram. It's about choosing purpose over comfort. Getting up when your body says sleep. Moving when your mind says scroll. That first hour isn't just about habits. It's about reminding yourself. I don't chase my goals. I train for them. Part 2, Afternoon, the dead zone. This is when most people quit. You've done a bit. You're tired. No one's watching. Discipline says, do the second half as strong as the first. No emotions. Just execution. Block distractions. Lock in. Success isn't built on the highs, it's built on what you do when it's boring. Part 3, Evening, reset the mind. Evening isn't rest, it's reflection. What did I do right today? What needs fixing? Discipline isn't perfection, it's honesty. It's the power to look at yourself and say, I showed up, or I slipped. And either way, I'll be better tomorrow. Part 4, Night, win tomorrow, tonight. The last move of the day? Planning the next. Discipline doesn't sleep when your head hits the pillow. It whispers. You've done your part. Now rest, tomorrow, we go again. Write your goals. Set your alarm. Put your phone away. Let the world chase comfort, you're chasing greatness. Discipline isn't loud. It doesn't shout. It doesn't need applause. It's just you. Making powerful choices in ordinary moments. From sunrise to sleep, discipline is the bridge between the life you dream and the life you live. If you're ready to stop wishing and start walking, this is your moment. Don't just feel inspired, build systems. Don't wait for motivation, be driven by direction. Because the world doesn't need another dreamer. It needs a doer. It needs you. Okay, see you tomorrow in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye.